Hey guys, what's going on? I'm here to tell you a little bit about some litter that I just picked up for my cat that I've been really happy with. I purchased this, I would say like a week ago, and I've been using it. I was looking for something actually that wouldn't really like cause any odor to the house or anything like that, and that it's my cat walking by and that would be really easy to scoop and just be dust free, because a lot of times when you change your cat's litter there could be dust all over the place and it's super messy, and who really wants to deal with that? I love Arm & Hammer products. They've been around forever. They have all kinds of different products for keeping the house clean and fresh. I love to leave their Arm & Hammer hanging baking soda in my fridge just to keep the fridge nice and fresh. And now they have litter that they've had for a while, and I'm super happy to try it out and use it. And I've tried it out for a week so far, and I couldn't be happier with the product. So this is Clump and Seal by Arm & Hammer. It's 50% lighter. That's probably my favorite thing actually about this product, is that it's 50% lighter than it typically would be. So it's a lot easier to carry around. Like, I live in a high ranch, so it's like I have to walk up the stairs, you know, to get to the front door, and then I have to walk up the stairs just to get in my house. So it's, and then there's just either an upstairs or downstairs, and it's just, you know, who wants to be walking or you know, running around the grocery store and then carrying litter up the steps? Not me. So the fact that this is lightweight is super helpful. So it's the same amount of uses as the 18-pound container. This is a net weight of, what is this, 9.0 ounces. It's guaranteed 7-day odor control, seals in the odors, 100% dust free, and then there's like a little free charmer bracelet that you could also get if you mail this little thing in that comes with the box. I was looking at that earlier today. So let's flip over to the back here. Okay, so this says 7-day odor control guaranteed and 50% lighter, same amount of litter, half the weight. Our regular litter is 18 pounds or 9 pounds, so it's literally half the weight and works just as well and lasts just as long. So Clump and Seal Lightweight, this revolutionary cat litter first seals and then destroys odors on contact. Sealing, a proprietary blend of moisture-activated micro-granules forms an odor-containing seal around urine and feces. Destroying, then a powerful formula with heavy-duty odor eliminators plus Arm & Hammer baking soda destroys sealed-in odors on contact. Plus, your cat will love the softer feel. Product features: for you, 100% dust-free as you pour and scoop, and for your home, 100% free of litter dust. So here you can see, like, here's an image of before after. There's a lot of dust. I have a carpet, so like it's just more vacuuming for me, which is annoying if there is dust. And then this shows you how the litter looks. That's like with a dust litter, and then this is a dust-free litter, so it keeps the floor nice and shiny and clean. This says for over 170 years, Arm & Hammer products have provided a safe and effective way to help keep things smelling fresh and clean. An odor-free home starts with Arm & Hammer. Note, please wash hands thoroughly after handling used cat litter. We want to remind pregnant women and those with suppressed immune systems that a parasite sometimes found on cat feces can cause toxoplasmosis. So, gotta be careful of that. This says no crumbly clumps. It just clumps like so much better. It's not all crumbly, so it's not going to go over your floor. It's not going to be a pain in the neck to scoop. It makes scooping so much easier. It really does. And then the Clump and Seal destroys odors. If you're not completely satisfied, we'll refund your purchase price. Questions or comments, you can call the number that's listed Monday through Friday, and their website is www.clumpandseal.com. Okay, let's jump over to the side here. So, welcome to the Arm & Hammer Clump and Seal Fan Club. I heart my cat and 50% lighter Clump and Seal. Congratulations, join your fellow cat lovers in making the switch to the greatest litter ever created. Visit us on Facebook or at clumpandseal.com for special offers, product information, and reviews from cat owners who have made the switch. And after you've made the switch to Arm & Hammer Clump and Seal, be sure to tell us how it feels having a truly fresh home. You can like them on Facebook, and then you can visit them at clumpandseal.com. Super easy to open. So push and tab and lift up to open, pour it into litter box, and say goodbye to litter odors, press down to close. And then This is the color. So the color is actually like a dark gray. It's much darker than most of the other litters that I used in the past. So it doesn't have that light gray color, it's darker. Not that that really matters or means anything, but it's just the color is different, and that's totally fine. And trust me, like, it smells so much better than other litters I've used in the past that just kind of trap odors in. So on the back here, instructions for use. For use of fill a clean empty litter box with 3 to 4 inches of Arm & Hammer Clump and Seal odor sealing litter. 2. Litter form solid clumps. Remove clumps and solid waste daily to keep the rest of the litter fresh. Add more Arm & Hammer Clump and Seal to replace what you have scooped out and maintain a depth of 3 to 4 inches. Once a month, empty the entire litter box. Dispose of used litter in the trash. Do not flush or put in the drain. So guys, if you're looking for an odor-free home and a really easy to use litter that your cat's going to love, try out Arm & Hammer Clump and Seal Lightweight. Works just as well as the original weight, but you know, half the carrying weight, and lasts just as long. Easy to trek up and down the stairs. So I hope you guys found the video useful, and thank you for watching. See you later, guys.